Here are 3 words that are absolute must-knows, okay? The first one is echt, meaning really. It's often used to express surprise, like echt? It can also be used to emphasize something. Het is echt lekker. It's really nice. And speaking of lekker, lekker might actually be the most used word in Dutch. Lekker means tasty, but it's not just about food. Sometimes people sit tasty. Ik zit lekker. Meaning they're very comfortable and they don't want to move. As long as it refers to sensibility, you can add lekker. Ik ga lekker wandelen. Ik ga lekker zwemmen. And so on. It can also be applied to people. A good-looking person is a lekker ding. And a common way of saying goodnight is slaap lekker. Alright, the last one is leuk. Leuk means nice. Let's say you want to tell your Dutch friends your vacation was fun. Mijn vakantie was echt leuk. Leuk can be applied to anything, from the mundane to the most amazing. So you can really go crazy with this one. Okay, now you know some Dutch slang. Leuk man!